Ooh, look at how that water rises from the geyser. It is like the Forex market, because we cannot predict what will happen next.
Indeed, one of the strategies used to predict the future is using technical analysis. To do that, you need to master the skills of reading the charts. Line chart. A line chart is made by connecting a series of the closing price of a financial asset. It is primarily used to identify patterns and trends in Forex. It is also easy and simple to understand. However, its main disadvantage is that it does not provide enough price information compared with other types of charts. You can easily identify the patterns and trends, but cannot analyze how the price is formed within a specific time frame. That's because most technical analysis requires more details like the opening, high, low, and closing prices. Bar chart. A bar chart shows the open, high, low, and close prices for a specified period. The left and right horizontal lines on each bar represent the open, left, and close right prices respectively. The top and bottom of a bar represent the high and low during that period. Candlestick chart. The candlestick chart was invented centuries ago in Japan. It was introduced to the Western world in the 1990s and became popular because of its better visualization and the vast information it delivered. It displays the high, low, open, and closing prices of an asset for a specific period. The real body of a candle connects the open price with the closing price. The upper line and lower line connects the high and low for the day or other period. If the price is closed at a higher level than the open price, we call that a bullish candlestick. MT4 has made it hollow in default. On the other hand, if the closing price is lower than the open price, it's a bearish candlestick. MT4 makes it as solid white color in default. In the chart, one single candlestick or a series of candlesticks can carry completely different information. It depends on what kind of trend that a single candlestick or an array of candlesticks was in. It also depends on the magnitude of buying or selling pressure, indicated by each of the candlesticks. Long candlesticks indicate strong buying or selling pressure, while short candlesticks indicate weak pressure. To conclude, we have learned about three major charts, which are the line chart, the bar chart, and the candlesticks chart. Will, I have an after-class quiz for you. In the next video, we will learn about expert advisors, or EA in MT4, and its usage.